How to make business or professional account on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account business or professional account. So guys, first what you need to do is that you have to go to Instagram, and here if your account is private, my account is already private. If your account is private, then you can make your Instagram account into business account or professional account. So now here what you need to do here is that you have to click on these three days on the top right corner, and here you have to click on settings and privacy. Okay, after clicking to settings and privacy, here you'll get one interface. Okay, now here what you need to do, you just need to scroll down. Okay, after scrolling down, I will be showing you how you can change your I mean account into business or professional account. This is just a private account, personal account, I mean. So now here you can see the option account type and tools. Simply click on account type and tools, and here on the top you can see switch to professional account. Simply click on it, click on continue, continue, and here you have to select your profession. I mean, what profession are you? So for example, if you are an artist, you have to click on artist. If you are a musician, click on musician, blogger, clothing brand, community, digital creator. So for me, I will go for digital creator, as I am a digital creator. So now you have to click on done option, and here you can see switch to a professional account. Switching to a professional account makes your profile public. Anyone will be able to see your photos and videos on Instagram. Okay, just click on OK option, and then just hold on for 30 seconds. Okay, so now this type of interface will pop up. So if you are a creator, just click on creator, and if it is your business, just go for business. So I am a creator, just click on creator, click on next option. Okay, and then here you can see, just click on next, and then here share login using account center. So if you want to share it, you can just click on continue, but I recommend you to click on not now. And then here you can see set up your professional account. So you can just add up your information here. You can continue it, but I won't do anything now. So just skip this, and then just hold on, your professional account has been is been ready. So now here again you have to click on 3 days to show that you are a business or creator. Just click on create tools and control on the top. You can see here, just click here, and then here you can see switch account type option. Just click on it, switch to personal account, and then your account will be now personal. Just let me show, you can see. So this is how you can do that. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.